In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Udemy course in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to share your expertise, connect with learners, or create an online income stream, starting your first course on Udemy can feel like a big step. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through each step with simplicity and clarity. Let's dive right in by opening your preferred web browser. The first thing you'll want to do is search for Udemy. Once you find their official website, go ahead and click to open it. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. If not, take a moment to sign up for an instructor account. It's quite intuitive and won't take long. Once you're logged in, look for a button that says Instructor or Teach on Udemy. Clicking this will guide you to the dashboard where all the course creation magic starts. Now let's move on by clicking on New Course. This is where you'll begin shaping your course content and structure. At this point, you'll need to decide if you're creating a full course or just a practice test. Take a moment to consider your goals and the type of content you want to share. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and click Continue to go to the next step. Here is where you'll provide a title for your course. Make sure it's clear and intriguing since this is one of the first things potential students will see. Try to capture the essence of what you're teaching in a few words. Once you're happy with your course title, click Continue. The next important step is selecting a category that best fits your course content. This will help target your audience and make it easier for students to find your course when browsing the Udemy marketplace. Once you have the right category chosen, click Continue. Udemy now wants to know how much time you can dedicate to creating your course every week. This is an opportunity to align your schedule with your goals. Consider how much time you realistically can spend, select the appropriate option, and press Create Course. Now that you've begun the process, Udemy provides you with a course creation template. This handy tool is accompanied by a radio button list designed as a checklist to help you keep track of your progress. It's a great way to ensure you're on the right path and managing your time effectively. And there you have it, the starting blocks of creating your own course on Udemy. With these steps completed, you're well on your way to developing a successful course that shares your knowledge with eager learners around the world. Don't forget to stay organized, enjoy the process, and let your passion shine through. Catch you next time for more insightful tips.